So tonight we're gonna learn how to change the battery to the keys from the car, Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda or Skoda, Kodiak. If you don't see the light here, red light, this is not working. So if you have a problem, you cannot go in the cars. So it's very easy. You have to change the battery in these keys. So you need a battery 2032 Varta or other kind of battery, but you have to take a good one, so 2032. And you need also something to open the keys. So let's do it. First of all, we have the keys. This key has here a hidden button. You press the button and this is open, yeah? Okay. Now, if you didn't know, we have a mechanical keys hidden in this key. It's right here if you touch like this. So this is a secret keys. If you don't have battery inside and it's not working, you open the door of your car with these keys. So from the beginning, we put this back. It's locked, yeah? So you press this button like this, open the car, and after that to throw out. Now we have to go inside to the battery. Battery is on this side, so we have to press in this side to get out. So we take the same keys, press like this, and it's open. Did you heard? Look, this is the battery. Now we need something to take out the battery, yeah? So we're gonna press right here and get the battery outside. So you see here it's a little this. We need a screwdriver. This is like this. You see? This is the battery out. Okay. Now we change it. This battery has only 10 months. Too quickly it's get the energy out. So we take this battery now. This is a good one. Like this. We should cut with the scissors. Now we put with this plus like here and we press it inside and it's clicking. See? You see the red button? Now we put back the back side of the batteries and the keys, and we put here the mechanical keys, the classic one. Click. It's not closing. Why it's not closing? It's broken? I don't think so. Let's put this on, it's smaller. Wow. What happened? With this one? Why is not closing? I hope I didn't broke it. I think it's from this. Yeah, anyway, we have to put this back and it's working like this. See? This is finished. Excellent. So the red light is open. So this is all. So you have to change your battery if your keys is not working. So share this video, give me a like. Very good, nice to see you.